snatched. Looking great, especially when it comes to fashion or appearance. Example, her outfit is snatched. She's always on trend. On fleek. Something that is perfect or well done, often used for eyebrows or style. Example, your eyebrows are on fleek today. Hyped. Excited or looking forward to something. Example, I'm so hyped for the new movie coming out this Friday. Chillax. A combination of chill and relax, meaning to calm down. Example, don't worry, everything's fine, just chillax. Dope. Another word for something awesome or cool. Example, your new jacket looks so dope. Where did you get it? Vibes. The mood or atmosphere of a place, event, or person. Example, I love the vibes in this cafe. It's so calm and peaceful. Bae. A term of endearment for someone you love, often used for a boyfriend, girlfriend. Example, can't wait to hang out with my bae this weekend. Epic. Describes something huge, amazing, or legendary. Example, the concert was epic. The band played all their hits. Savage. Bold, fearless, or doing something without caring about others' opinions. Example, he made a savage comment in the meeting and didn't care what anyone thought. Fam. Short for family, but it can also mean close friends. Example, I'm hanging out with the fam this weekend. It's going to be fun. Woke. Being aware and informed about social or political issues, especially injustice. Example, she's really woke when it comes to human rights issues. Slay. To do something really well or look amazing while doing it. Example, you slayed that presentation today. Glow up. A noticeable improvement in appearance or self-confidence. Example, she had such a glow up over the summer. She looks amazing. Legit. Short for legitimate, meaning real, authentic, or cool. Example, that pizza place is legit. You have to try it. Bussin'. Used to describe something that tastes really good, especially food. Example, this pasta is bussin'. I've never tasted anything like it. Banger. A really great song or an event that was amazing. Example, that new track is a banger. I can't stop dancing to it. Fam jam. A gathering or event with family members. Example, we're having a big fam jam this weekend with all the cousins. FOMO. Fear of missing out, used when you don't want to be left out of something fun. Example, I've got FOMO about that party everyone's going to. Swole. Having large, well-developed muscles. Example, he's been hitting the gym hard, and now he's swole. Clutch. Someone or something that comes through at just the right moment. Example, that last-minute save was clutch. It won the game. Level up. To improve or advance to a higher level, often used for personal growth. Example, I'm trying to level up in my career by learning new skills. Bougie. Someone or something that's fancy or high class. Example, she's living a bougie life with all those designer clothes. GOAT. Stands for greatest of all time, used to describe someone who is the best at something. Example, Serena Williams is the GOAT of tennis. Fam bam. An affectionate term for a close-knit family. Example, I'm spending Thanksgiving with the whole fam bam. Peep. To check out or notice something. Example, peep my new ride, just got it yesterday. Squad. Your group of close friends or people you hang out with regularly. Example, the squad is meeting up for lunch today, can't wait. Lit. Something that's extremely exciting, fun, or cool. Example, that party last night was so lit. Everyone was having a great time. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.